Yeah, hello kids. How are you? I hope you all are well. Kids, today we will learn chapter number 13. Chapter number 13 and the chapter name is data handling. Data handling. In this chapter we are going to study about data. Now students, data, pictograph, collecting data using telegrams and bar graphs. Now let's do it. Count the number of balloons of each color and fill in the placeholder given below. Now, class, number of red balloons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count with me and write here. Now, number of yellow balloon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now students, blue number of blue balloon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 balloons of blue colors. Now green color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Understand? Now students, the attendance at the morning assembly of each class of for 2 days in given below. Class first 38, day 1, day second 35, class second day 1 37, day 2 32, class third day 1 29, day 2 34, class 4 32 and 30. Study the table and answer the following question. Understand? Which class has minimum attendance at the morning assembly day on day 1? Now class, which class has a minimum? Minimum means कम. Day 1 सबसे कम किसके पास है class? Class third के पास. So, we will write here class third. Now, which class has maximum assembly on day 2? Maximum means सबसे ज़्यादा. Means 35. Class first. Now, which class has 2 more attendance on day 2 compared to day 1? 2 more attendance. Has more attendance on day 2. Which class has more attendance on day 2? Compare किससे करना है हम day 1 से? More attendance on day 2. Like यहाँ पर 29 आए थे, यहाँ पर 44 and here is which? So class third. We collect information and study various things. Data. We collect information and study various means many, बहुत सारे. Many things on different subjects such as number of boys and girls in each class, number of TV channels that children enjoy, number of games, CD a group of children have. We may collect information on all these subjects by counting. है ना? By counting, such information which we collect on a subject are called data. Thus, we define data as a collection of facts and figures. We may represent a data by tables, pictures or a graph. हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? टेबल से, पिक्चर से और ग्राफ से. Now students, pictograph. When we make use of picture symbols to represent information, we call it pictorial representation or pictograph. हम symbols का use करते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है? Pictograph of the given information data. A pictograph has a title or a label, a symbol and a key. Given below is the information about number of boys who like different games. Football 6, badminton 5, cricket 8 and basketball 7. Let's draw a pictograph for this data. The numbers in above table show the numbers of boys. So we use the figure of a boy to represent the information. Number of boys playing in different games. Number of boys playing different games. Now using the pictograph, try to answer the following question. Now football 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Badminton 5, cricket 8 and basketball 7. Write the most favorite game of boys. Most favorite game of boys 8 means cricket. Cricket. We have to write cricket here. And write the least सबसे कम favorite किसका है? कौन सा गेम है क्लास? सबसे कम बैडमिंटन. बैडमिंटन में 5 players है only. And write the total number of boys. Total number of boys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 boys or players are there. Now, sometimes we have to use part of fraction of a picture to show a number. Like number of children different class. Class first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and half. Class second, class third and class fourth. Means पूरे फेज का मीन से 10 बच्चे एंड हाफ का मीन से 5 बच्चे. लाइक 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 एंड 65 स्टूडेंट्स है क्लास फर्स्ट में. नाउ क्लास सेकंड 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. क्लास थर्ड 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50. नाउ फोर्थ 10, 20, 30, 35 students in class 4. From the pictograph, we can find the numbers of children in each class. Now 6 into 10 plus 5, 65, 50, 60, 35. Okay. Now exercise 3.1, question number 1. Look at this pictograph and answer the questions. Ice creams that children of Tina's class like. Vanilla. Babies. एक डॉट इज इक्वल टू 2 बेबीज मीन्स 2 स्टूडेंट्स. दो बच्चों को चाहिए. ये 2 बच्चे हैं इसका मतलब 2 मीन्स वनीला 2, 2 plus 4, 4 to the 6, 6 to the 8. नाउ 8 plus 2, 10 मीन्स 10 बच्चों को ये आइसक्रीम पसंद है. नाउ चॉकलेट 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 बच्चों को चॉकलेट पसंद है. स्ट्रॉबेरी 4 to 8 बेबीज को पसंद है. नाउ बटर स्कॉच 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 मीन्स 10 बच्चों को बटर स्कॉच पसंद है. ना हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रंस लाइक वनीला. वनीला किस किस बच्चों को? नाउ 10. अंडरस्टैंड. हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन लाइक बटर स्कॉच? 10. नाउ विच आइसक्रीम इज लाइक द मोस्ट? चॉकलेट. How many? 16. Now which ice cream is like the least? सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉबेरी पसंद थी बेबीज को. स्ट्रॉबेरी चिल्ड्रन को कम पसंद थी. नाउ स्ट्रॉबेरी 8 बच्चों को ही पसंद थी. नाउ इक्वली किसको पसंद थी? इक्वली वनीला एंड बटर स्कॉच दोनों ही इक्वल स्टूडेंट्स या चिल्ड्रंस को वनीला एंड बटर स्कॉच पसंद थी. Butterscotch. Understand class? Now students, this pictograph shows how the children of a boarding school went home for their summer vacation. How the children traveled by car. Class means full means 20 children, half means 10 and half from the half 5 children. Now by car 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Now by bus 40, 60, plus 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 5, 75. Okay. Now by train 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 125. By train. Now the number of children who travel by car 50. By travel by bus 75. Number who travel by train 125. Understand class? collection data using telemarks. Suppose we have 36 girls in a class who like different activities, dance, music, drama, art and craft and yoga. We go on asking each girl her choice of activity and recording the collected information. We make a table with various activities. Then for each girl, we make a vertical line called tally mark against her particular choice. Once we have a set of 5 tally marks, then we indicate the fifth mark by crossing the 4 tally marks. We then start with a new set of tally marks. Now, जब हमारे पास 4 tally marks हो जाएंगे तो हम उसको कर देंगे कट कर देंगे like this. फिर हम क्या करेंगे अपना नया tally mark start करेंगे. Now dance tally mark 10 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, music 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, drama, art and craft and yoga. Similarly, to represent numbers, tally marks are used in following way. 1 2 3 4 5 में हम क्या करते हैं कट कर देते हैं. Now 6 and 10. Understand? Now 13.2. All the 27 students of class 3rd were asked to name their favorite ice cream. Following were the observation. Orange bars, cones, cups, cones, orange bars, orange like this. Okay, orange bars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many students like orange bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand? Cups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students. Now cones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Okay, here is 11. Understand? Which ice cream was like the maximum number of students? Which ice cream? Cone ice cream. Understand? 11 students. Now which ice cream was like the least in number? 7. This orange bar. Orange bars. Now how many students choose cones? Cones 11. Understand class? So now come on the bar graph. A bar graph consists of vertical or horizontal bars whose height or length depends on the amount or quantities that are not to be represented. Bar graphs make it easily to compare the recorded data. A bar graph has a title, vertical and horizontal axis, a label and a scale. A bar graph consists of vertical and horizontal bars. क्या होते हैं उसमें vertical and horizontal bars होते हैं. Whose क्या होता है उसका height और length depends on the amount और quantity. किस पे होती है उसकी height और length? Amount होती है, उसकी amount of quantity पे depend होती है. Are to be represented. Bar graphs make it easy to compare. Bar graph क्या होता है? Easy होता है. Make it to compare. Understand the recorded data. A bar graph has a title, vertical and horizontal axis, a label and a scale. Understand? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Number of activities: Monday 8, Tuesday 10, Wednesday 7 and Thursday 3, Friday 5. Understand class? Now look at the bar graph showing the number of activities done in class during a week. Answer the questions using the bar graph. Tilna did the highest number of activities. Highest means 10 on Wednesday. This is the highest number of activities Tuesday. Tuesday इसमें उन्होंने 10 एक्टिविटीज की हैं. लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज, लीस्ट सबसे कम, मीन्स थर्सडे में किया उन्होंने, थर्सडे. See, here is least. Understand? Now, which is the total number of activities done by the children during the week? Total activities done 10. 10 activities. Understand, class? Total activities they are doing 10. Understand? Come on the exercise 3.3. Now, students, the following bar graph shows the transport used by the teachers and the students of a particular school. Study the bar graph and answer the questions. How many people come by car? How many people, class? 40. Understand? Car represent 40. Now, how many people come by cycle? 50 people come by cycle. Two more people ride a scooter or cycle? Do, yes. 60. Yes, 60 people. Which mode of transport used by the least number? सबसे कम bus means 30. बस उन्होंने कितना यूज किया? 30. सबसे कम. Understand, class? Now, class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and make the graph carefully. We will meet you in next class. Thank you.